Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 18th, 2023. And we're going for the edamame plants. Now, this is the first year we've been able to grow them in a contained area, basically where they're protected by the cage, in some really good soil. But look, they are producing. Dang. Folks, we're going to have a lot of beans. This is awesome because I really enjoy these. I'm not sure if I want to eat them or propagate them. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But look at that. There's just so much going on with... Oh, wow. Lots of beans. You know, it's been such a good year for rain. And these guys are out here. If we tilt up, yeah, full sun conditions. Right now it's cloudy, but you get the point. They're not being attacked by anything, and they're out in the full sun. They're protected from rabbits and whatnot. So here we are. No fertilizers, no assistance in that regard. Just good, healthy, live soil. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps our channel grow. And please do stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of these edamame beans. Have a great day.